Hello guys, so welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn how Shibarium.fun through the Shibarium.fun. Shibarium.fun, you can create your own token and you can buy, you can sell without providing any liquidity. Okay. So guys, this video is just for the educational purpose. I'm not motivating anybody to buy, sell or do anything in cryptocurrency because it's risky and whatever loss you will get, it is all your own. Okay. This was just simple disclaimer. Now we can see the link over here shibarium.fun. What I will do, I will just click on this link app shibarium.fun. Okay, these both are same. Go to this link. There is an option swap token, create token, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram. I'm gonna create token. Uh, he wants token name like what I'm gonna do. Mm, Shibarium meme. Let's say okay, and shib meme symbol. These two fields are mandatory. Apart from that, image not mandatory. Description, yeah, ship meme. You can just write simple description. See meme, and you can upload image over here. So image will come on the desk screen. You can add a website URL. You can add Twitter URL. You can add Telegram URL as well. Okay. So I have already created this four meme earlier, but right now I'm going to create and show you how you can create and launch your token on Shibarium blockchain. And the gas fees is also very low. Okay, now click on this create button. Once I will click on the create button, it will start creating token for me, whatever name and symbol I've given. Look at the fees, 0.01 bond, which is very less. Okay, very less. Just confirm it. Once token will create, I will show you how much token by default this token will get under, and how much liquidity by default you will get. Okay, so token is created. Now click on the view explorer. I can show you the name, symbol, and the quantity of token. Okay, so here we can go sheep club. By default it is interacting with the sheep club. This is a contract, and this was the token which we have created. Click on this. Just click on this name. Okay, you will get this token contract address over here easily. This is the contract address of this token. Okay. Now go to holder. Right now there would be only one holder because all the holding is holding by the Shibarium.fun. Okay. Clear? Now, if I want to buy this token, I cannot buy. Let's go to the swap and I will put here 0.1 bond and I will paste the address over here. Shinmei. We cannot buy because there is no liquidity yet. Okay. See, insufficient liquidity for this trade. We cannot buy. So what we will do, we will go to create token and we will copy this address from here and we will add that address in launch token. Okay. Now click launch token. Once you will start, click on launch token. Now you can see over here, it is clearly mentioned add liquidity. So it is adding the liquidity. It means this Siberium.fun website is adding the token liquidity. We are not doing anything. Just click on the confirm. Gas fees is 0.01 bond, which is very less, very less, very less, very less, very less. So guys, it is adding liquidity right now. Liquidity is added. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to buy. I will copy this from here and go to swap token and just simple buy 0.01 bond and just add your address over here. Now this will come. Okay. Now just do click simple swap. What will happen? This amount of token will come in your wallet and you can go, you can add in wallet. Simple 0.01 bond fee. Very simple. Okay. Now I will go to my wallet and I'm just going to add this contract address. Okay. Okay, token. Right now, I will go over here, import token, select the network, Shibarium, add address, Control V, save name. Just click on the next, import, and this much token I will get in my wallet. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, now simply go to disk screener and select some Shibarium chain over here. We can just go down, go down, go down, go down. Here is your Shibarium. Just click on this. You have two options. Either go to new pair or just mark slash and add address over here. We will see whether it will appear or no. Okay. So you can see over here the token supply was 1 quadrillion and total liquidity provided by that module, that Shibarium.fund is 1000 bond. Okay. Right now it is not sell, it is buy. Let me just reward. Okay. Reward the pair. You can see. See, I bought 9 billion token in 0.01 bond. Okay, guys. Very simple. If you don't have no the counted address over here, just go to Siberium and click on the new pair. New pair. You will see whatever new token is launching over here. Okay. So we just launched this one 2 minutes before. Just click on this. Okay. I have to just go for the reward this. Okay. Now again I will buy like point one bond. Just increase the quantity of bond so we understand. Just confirm. Click confirm on it. It is swapping 0.1 bond to Sheep Meme. Actually, it was Sheep Meme. I written as Sheen Meme. No problem. It's just token name. This is making for demo purpose. Okay. Now again go here. You can see two transaction over here right now. Right now, less people are buying. I'm only person who is buying. That is the reason its price is very less. Okay. And you can see over here the liquidity is very low and desk is unknown. But as soon as more people will start buying this token, automatically liquidity will come over here and you can see this name over here. Okay, and this will be get fulfilled. Okay, so just click on here Shinmin and go to Explorer. We can see how many holders are there and how many token you have created. And by default, how many token has minted. Basically, we can select that. So totally 1 quadrillion token has minted 336, 39, 312, 15, 16. And if we will go and check out how many holders are there, two holders. This one, Shibarium fund itself is holding, and this one is holded by myself. Okay. This was the beauty. You don't have to add any single penny as a liquidity. By default, Shibarium dot fund is giving you 1,000 bond to add liquidity. As soon as people will buy, it will get promoted. Okay, guys. Now, this is the simple video how to create your token on Shibarium dot fund. Now, I want to sell my token. Just simply go over here and put on max. If it is not appearing over here, don't worry about that. Just once refresh the page. And I hope you remember your contact address. Okay. Now I will go over here, paste my address and me, go to reverse 100% and do swap. Easily you can do swapping over here. Nobody knows. The person who will buy earlier, the person will get more profit. Okay. Simple 0.01 bond as a gas fee. Very, very, very less gas fee. Just confirm it. And all your token will come to your wallet without any question, without any doubt. Okay. Now I am swapping all my token with the bond. And once I will go to my wallet, I can check whether that token is still appear or no. So I'm going to my wallet, going to token, shiny money is there. Okay, I think it need one more transaction. Okay, token. Let me check. It needs, I think, more approval from my side. So if it is waiting for the approval, I will just confirm it. Okay. Sometime it happen. If many people are there, you have to then just click on the speed up. It will not take so much things, so much fee from your side. It's very simple. Okay. So once this will done, you will see there is no token. Shinmin is zero balance. And if you go to blockchain, yeah, here it's clearly mentioned, it's selling. So if you go to the blockchain, here there would be only one address. This will be gone. Let me just refresh the page. See, right now you can see only okay, two holder might be, okay. This is the corner address I get. Okay, this is the address, but that amount is very less. It's very less amount. Okay. So if I will refresh the page, might be some sniper has bought, but it seems address of contract. Okay. Liquidity added. I sold, and I got my how much I have invested. So this is the simple things on Shibarium Fund. You can easily create your token without providing any liquidity. You can swap it over here, and if you want to go to talk to them, just go to Telegram channel and connect to them. Okay, this is their Telegram channel. Just connect them, or you can go to their Twitter account. You can just talk to them. Apart from that, in coming videos, I'm gonna explain you. Okay, let me explain you what is the Shibantis. Just go, and if I'm here, I will explain you all this. Shibantis is one kind of metaverse which you can buy the land. Just click on the map. Okay, I have already purchased this one. This land I have purchased with by paying 100 pound. Okay, if I will click over here, it will give me the exact area where I can purchase. Later on, I can sell if I want. It depends upon me, because right now that application is still in the development. Okay, how you can buy? You can click anywhere, and okay. Someone has bought ID. Okay, you can just paying 100 bond. You can mint. Right now, I have no that much of amount of token in my wallet, so I cannot mint it. Okay, and apart from that, there is one more thing, Shiba Inu Yard Club. This is just for the NFTs. You can connect your wallet, you can mint your NFT, you can randomize the NFT, you can download the NFT as a PNG format. Okay, guys. So there is lot of thing to come over here. So next video, okay, documents are there, information is there, lot of things are there. So coming video, I'm going to show you everything one by one. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how you can create your own token with whatever amount, whatever token you're minting, that would be all in your wallet, and you can provide over here the liquidity, and you can ask you people to buy, or you can also keep in wallet. So you will be the owner of all your token, whatever you are going to create. But still, this video I'm just making for the educational purpose. I'm not motivating anybody to buy, sell, or do trading anywhere, because cryptocurrency is very risky. Okay, so try at your own risk. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, so whenever I create new video, it will come to you directly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.